Supposed to be alive today. I encountered severe near-death abuse from somebody that I thought I would spend forever with. And because they never thought somebody would be brave enough to marry me, Pabetsi. Ngwana Bennett banana matlela liswela. But hey, somebody was brave enough. And but we're gonna walk this road together. So thank you guys. I really appreciate it.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Guys, today we're talking about a very sad story. Last year November, if I'm not mistaken, SKEEM SAAM actress Pabetsi, known as Mohadi, got married and she shared the good news with her fans on Instagram. She was pregnant then and she gave birth to a beautiful baby girl. This morning guys, she posted, "Don't be afraid to share your story because it could liberate someone else." And yesterday she dropped a bomb that surprised many people. In a video, she mentioned during her pregnancy, she was abused by someone she was prepared to spend the rest of her life with, and she almost died and lost her baby. She didn't go into detail, but guys, by the look of things, they are no longer together with her husband. She even removed her husband pictures on her social media, and she is not wearing the ring anymore. There is always two sides of the story, but guys, I'm glad she chose her life and happiness than everything else. Wishing her all the best in her healing journey. Check out this video and don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video. Bye.
So I've been quiet, very quiet on the social media streets, not posting anything. So I probably come across as a person who does not relate with current affairs and is not in touch with culture. But it was really for a very vital reason. There are times in life where one has to retreat, isolate themselves for spiritual growth. There's a lot that has been going on in my life in the year of 2021. I personally believe the devil is after me after all that I have gone through this year. You know, from the beginning of the year, starting off with an accident while I was pregnant, which almost put my life and my unborn child's life in danger. And then also having a near-death experience during my birth, during my delivery, which actually wasn't a near-death experience. I died for 3 minutes, you know. My baby was born blue. She wasn't supposed to be alive today. I encountered severe near-death abuse from somebody that I thought I would spend forever with. And yeah, you know, it just keeps getting tough. All of this under unemployment as well, because the industry we work in, if you're not working, you're not making money. So as I have been on maternity leave, I haven't really been working, so I haven't been really getting an income, but I've been surviving. So it's been very tough. Emotionally, it's been a strain. Physically, one has just been trying to stay strong for the kids. And spiritually, that's where you go to. That's my go-to place when life gets tough. When life gets tough, that's my go-to place. Anybody who knows me very well will tell you, Hore, when things are hard, prayer is the only way out. I get down on my knees and pray because I know no other way. Like I get to be engwe. I got tshepa dilo tse dingwe, I get tshepa batho, I can sugar daddy, I can, you know what I mean? So the only way I know how to get out of tough moments in life is to get down on my knees. And a lot has been revealed to me in the process. But most importantly, I've learned that I have to unlearn certain ways of life and characteristics about myself. so that I'd stop ending up in the same patterns of life over and over again. So one needs to unlearn, and it's hard to unlearn when you're an adult because you've established your identity and that's who you are, and you're comfortable with who you are. But I had to take some time out, hear what God needs to tell me about myself, listen to the lesson that I need to learn in this season of my life, and be willing to grow and grow in all aspects, and accepting that sometimes things happen so the shift can happen. So today I am grateful, I'm calmer, I'm less anxious, I'm no longer depressed, because I believe that God is in control and working things out for my favor. But also, I believe that a shift is happening in my life, and we need to just allow the shift to happen. At the end of the day, He's Jehovah Jireh. He's more than enough, always providing. We don't go to bed on a hungry stomach. We have more than enough, and we always get the job done. At the end of the day, He's still in control. So yes, I guess I'm still alive, I'm still here, I'm still present, teacher, I'm still present. I'm just not on the social media streets for spiritual maintenance, which is important sometimes. Try it. If it works for me, it will work for you.